So before we went into the Perot Museum, we played with these new bubbles we got.
We're in the parking garage.
They were excited, of course. So when you enter in, there's like a little area where you can play, and then that's the museum back there in the back. They like climbing on these frogs that were in front of the museum, and here we are about to enter in. The first area we went into was downstairs in the lower level. They really liked this area. It was considered the children's museum, so we actually spent most of the day in there. It was kind of hard to get them out of this big room that had a lot of different activities inside. Kay really liked this glow in the dark room. Two really liked the car area. He was spending most of his time over there. Okay, so let's go over pricing. Pricing for parking was $15. You pay that on your way out. The price to get in, I believe it was like $17 or $27 online, but if you have Snap or Wick, you can get in for $1. You also can get the extra exhibit, which is the soccer area, which you'll see at the end. You can also get that for $1. Up to 8 people in for $1. To get the $1 pricing, you do need to have your ID and your card, your benefit card with you, and show them at the front gate. You can't buy it online. So as far as the food at the cafe, it was really good. The pizza wasn't that good. Chicken was good. That mac and cheese was bomb. We spent about $53 on everything. Gatorade, cotton candy, escalators. This was the Earth and
It's just for you to read and learn about it.
Universe type exhibit. We did miss 2 floors that we're gonna have to go back to. Floors 2 and 3. This was a soccer exhibit. This is where my phone actually went dead. It's a lot more to this exhibit that you don't even expect. So 10 out of 10, we do recommend, and hopefully we'll be going back soon.